No problem. See, today is
26.
hmm, 26th Feb. The first article which I'm going to discuss with you is
Naksha.
Naxa Initiative. That the article which I was telling you, right? So see, first of all, what should come in your mind? You know what? What?
Which ministry?
Yeah. So it comes under which ministry?
Land records.
Land records ministry. What the hell?
Revenue.
No.
Not a revenue.
Revenue. There is no revenue minister. Hey, come on, Bhagya. What are you saying? What are you doing?
Survey and land records.
Hmm?
No, ministry.
Ministry of Rural Development.
This is urban.
Urban, so what happened? But it's in the Ministry of Rural Development. Yes. And second thing, what you have to keep in mind that it is the nature of the scheme. So what is the nature of the scheme? Centrally sector, centrally sponsored.
Centrally.
Tell me the difference between the two first.
Centrally.
Sector or centrally sponsored?
Centrally sponsored. Difference.
Yeah. See, centrally sector scheme means the contribution between
State and central.
only center. So this is called centrally sector. Centrally sponsored means the contribution between center and state together. So this is called centrally. So it means there is a
Center?
100. It means 100% funding done by the center.
This one central sector.
Yes, central sector scheme. Yes, got the point. Okay, now this is, what is the main purpose of this scheme? Tell me. Naksha
Survey.
initiative. Survey for what?
Free survey.
For what?
The land records are obsolete now.
Land
And
records.
irregular.
Urban land records.
Urban land
Right.
records. To improve tax.
To improve tax.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the secondary purpose. The primary purpose is to have a proper vision, to have proper map of the urban land record. Suppose if there is any land, there should be proper land records of that. Right? So see, it is a part, means a digital land record actually. So now see the beauty of this question. Now the examiner, what he will do, he will say that now either in mains actually they can ask like that कि see uh, uh, write the government initiative for digital India. So you can write this example because it is based on the digital India, because there is a digital land records. See how you have to link actually while reading the newspaper. You have to think in 360 multiple dimensions, 360 degree. Okay. Moreover, because it is talking about what urban development. So in your mind it should occur automatically that is there any scheme for rural development
For rural.
or rural land records? This should occur in your
Mind.
unused mind.
Unused mind.
Mind, right? So yes, there is Swamitya scheme. Please remember, this is the PYQ of the UPSC prelims. Swamitya scheme is related to land mapping of the rural India. Right? So this is what it given. Now see, all the urban local bodies have not been covered. Only around 150 urban local bodies. So this is also important. They can ask, they can frame question like that. And this scheme cover all the state and union territory of India. It is
No.
no. So this is how your focus should be highlighted in the newspaper. They are focusing on where nature, schemes, right, and their main purpose, right, and they are pan India or they are right like that. Moreover, this provision has been made in the budget also. Have you read the budget this year? Okay, so one day I will tell you the budget of this year. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But first you have to be punctual. So see, this scheme has been launched under the National Geospatial Mission. I have told you that this scheme has been launched under the Digital India Mission, But I'm saying again that this scheme has been launched under the National
Yes,
Geospatial
yes.
Mission. How can it be possible that one scheme is under two?
Maybe
So-
it is a subset of the digital India scheme.
No, use your brain actually. Yeah. Use.
Geospatial.
National Geospatial Mission. I I said you will forget something which I will ask even if you read the articles because it is mentioned in the article. But I know because see there is a way, right? I'm telling by my experience how to catch the important things in your article because the in newspaper are written not for the exam oriented, they are for the knowledge oriented. So see actually you know what, this scheme has been launched under the Digital India Mission for the digital aspect, but this scheme has been launched under the National Geospatial Mission for the funding purpose.
Budget.
So it yeah,
Budget.
I told you the budget, then you should link it with
No, I got it, but it is right or wrong.
so you hesitate.
But yeah, but
You
in
hesitate
my
with
mind
me.
it is funded for the funding purpose, budget provision, and it is for the development, showing the development.
Okay.
So UPSC concentrate here na missions towards growth development.
Yeah.
So we have to link up this one to this.
Yeah. Now, one most important thing, because we have said that it has been launched under the Digital India. So now the PC will frame the question like that कि this land mapping will be done with the support of the satellite imagery. Is this
Yes.
right statement?
No.
Then why it is
We
wrong?
can use drones. Not
So we can't use satellite.
we can use satellites, but it is a on smaller part na.
So what? What?
Is it right or wrong?
Hmm?
Satellite orientation. We are making geospatial things na.
So satellite is also.
We are taking measurements not on the surface. We are taking measurements above the earth surface na. That's why they use a geospatial.
Not geospatial I'm talking about. I'm talking about satellite imagery
Satellite imaginary
techniques. They can use here.
Satellite imaginary techniques they can use. I
Mm.
don't know.
You are from science background, so you should know actually what is drone and what is satellite actually. See, satellite does not give minute information, but
Mi-
drones provides. That's why.
I'm saying na, it's a minor areas, so it is not accurate thing.
You have said you're not
Yeah.
accurate. Hey, come on here.
These are the small things compared to satellite surveying. So that's why they use drones, and it is above the earth surface. So that's why they can use photogrammetry like that. Aerial survey.
Okay. So please mind that. It means how you have to concentrate while reading the newspaper. I'm telling the way. Right? So see, I have told you about the prelims perspective as well as mains perspective. Got it? Okay. Second article. It was actually good articles related with gender disparities. Gender disparities in unpaid work learning. Actually, do you know? Have you got this article?
Minutes for taking work.
Yeah. Okay. Now they will be interesting because I will have the question. Okay. The first question which arises here that time use survey. Actually, this report has been published by the Time Use Survey, right? So so first important thing is that because they can ask that some ministry has launched this scheme. No, it is wrong. Time Use Survey has done it.
Who done?
Hmm?
Who?
Time Use Survey.
Time
And
use
now time
done
use
by whom?
whom? NSO, National
Statistics.
Statistical Organization. It
Ministry
comes
of-
under the ministry of
Statistics.
program implementation. Good, nice. See, there are some data. No need to cram the data, no need to remember the data, but you need to understand the trend actually. So as obvious that unpaid work, female are in more number as compared to male actually. Around female works for more than 5 hours in unpaid work, like cooking, cleaning the
Caring.
house,
Caring.
caring for the child and old person. But men work only for I think 1 hour, something like that. So see, this is the difference between you and
Me.
yeah.
You means you also me. You said na you. Me.
You and me.
Okay, you, me.
So you should say you.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So see, second, paid work. In paid work, of course, I will be higher. It means men will be higher. See, men are 60% and females are
20%.
20% like you.
Wage.
Hmm?
I got
Yeah.
more than you.
You got more than I'm not talking about that. How many percent female are involved? I'm saying.
Okay.
So 60% male and 20% female only.
In work, in paid works.
Yeah, in paid work. You got more than me. Okay. Okay. But right now I'm teaching you, okay?
Yeah.
See, and third category is learning and education. See, in spite of this is the beauty of the women. In spite of engaged in unpaid work with the women, they are still giving the good competition in learning and education. See, almost they have the equal participation in learning and education.
Learning.
Almost they have equal. Around 3 or 4 minutes are difference
Mm,
almost.
yeah,
So see, this is the beauty. Actually, I actually appreciate
will
that.
manage.
I appreciate the women for that, not you, because you are undisciplined person. Yeah. From tomorrow you, from tomorrow you have to be disciplined. Yes. So see. So see, this was the basic. So see, you might have got one thing. I am not remember any data. I have just remember the trend. So always focus on that. UPSC will never ask about the
Data.
data. They will ask about the trend always. Right? So this is now third number. See, this article was related to that black spot. Have you heard this? Have you read this? Black spot on national highway or highway. Okay, you might have not heard. See, center is making the plan. Center is making the plan for black spot in national highway. Do you know what is now? See, the first question which arises that what is black spot?
Promise.
The first question which will arises.
Hello. Hello, Manas. Tell me. What? No. I have already taken.
Okay. So see, center is making the plan for what? Do you know what? They are making plan for the black spot.
I have to check now. Black spot. What is?
No, just keep it aside. See, see, tell me what you can understand by black spot because they are planning this in highways, national highways. So what can the black spot? It is a hole in the road, or what? It is SWAT. Yeah, or it is accident.
Accident.
Yes, it is actually an accident. So they can confuse here because people consider it can be the whole. Actually not. The point where most of the accident happens in India. In last 3 years, if 5 accident happens in the same place, that will be called
Recognized as black spot.
black spot. 5 persons accident and death as well in last 3 years. So this will become black spot. And in India, around more than 1,000 black spot like that. In your state, this is high. Andhra.
Understood.
Yes.
Black spots.
So you have to keep this in mind. So see, first thing what is important that they can ask that what is black spot. And now see, now tell me which ministry can bring this? Tell me.
Can
Can bring this
National highway.
Plan.
Ministry of
This plan, like black spot on national highway are yes,
Ministry of highway.
Ministry of
Roads.
Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. I think you have lack of knowledge about ministry, so I will send you the one link. There is a written of the whole ministry. You can read it once, because it is very important to link with current affairs, na. So what is going on and which ministry can bring this then, because see, you don't need to go in the politics. What is going on? Like what is the name of that guy in YouTube? Arvind, can I?
Arvind Kejriwal.
No. That is roasted guy.
Roasted guy who?
No, not that. What is called that in YouTube? Is who has commented for the who has commented wrong thing about the women? Hey, yeah, come on, yeah.
Women. One, we discussed we three discussed about that guy, na?
Yeah,
Podcasted.
yeah.
I don't know.
So actually, I mean, I don't know, but see, what I mean to say that, see, you should be able to link what is important for exam point of view. That's why I've given you.
Syllabus.
So you have to link it. So see, they have said that. So see, it comes from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. And do you know, it is actually under Infrastructure Investment Trust. This will be built under the infrastructure. Actually, this is a scheme of the government of India for the infrastructural development. So see, this like that. What happened? What happened? Why are you laughing like that? Mate.
That's why I'm laughing.
Okay. Okay. I do on the purpose so that. Okay. Next. So see, there was a lot of article written here, but I have focused on the only important things. What is important? Next important article is about
Vita power.
Yesterday I told you about that ki USA has given the cooperation with Russia, right? But now, if USA is giving the cooperation of Russia, and USA is a capitalist country, and Russia is communist or socialist country, so what about Europe? And now Europe is thinking that USA is going away with
Between.
going away from me
Mm.
and going with Russia. So there are some persons are saying that it is a imperialist policy of USA actually. Now tell me, what is imperialist policy? Imperialist policy, you know what? Means that if some powerful country, right, dominates other small countries for their territorial expansion, this is called imperialist policy. So someone is saying that it is a imperialist policy of
USA.
USA.
How it will?
Because see, do you know what Trump has commented? Trump has commented that this Palestine, Palestine should be removed from the Gaza, and it should be made a tourist place. It should be made a tourist place. So actually, it is a very negative thing. So and it should be under the USA government as well. So actually, this is the imperialist policy what writer is saying. So see, now the writer is saying that see, if this thing is commented by Trump, and who is of course the president of USA, so is it going with
Away from the
European Union, or is supporting the Russia, or going away from the China? So some experts are saying that see, if USA will go away from the Russia, so Russia and China will be together, and which will not be good for the USA. That's why USA is trying to cooperate with Russia, so that Russia should not go with the China. Because to counter China, actually this is the
Cold War between
Yeah.
US and China.
yeah, to counter China, to weaken the China, actually this is the policy of USA.
USA.
So this is what writer was suggesting. Apart from that, now see, what should India stand in that? Means what should India do in that? Tell me.
Neutral. Abstaining.
Stand. But this is not, I think, good way all the time that India should be always neutral. So if suppose that something happens to India, so they will also follow
Neutral.
the neutral approach. So India have to be somewhat reactive, not proactive, not reactive. See, this is the I think one of the biggest problem in India. You know what? India, in most of the cases, India takes reactivist policy, not proactive. Tell me the difference between the two.
Proactive means more active.
Proactive means more active,
Leading from front.
More active.
and reactive means
Reactive means if something is happened, then we have to react.
and proactive means
With, proactive
So the
means more
basic-
than active.
this is not a difference.
like-
Yeah.
For example, in Ukraine, USA is proactive to solve the issue. That's why he organized a talk between USA and Russia's foreign secretaries.
Okay. See, the basic difference. What we can say that. Okay, if this is the action, see, suppose that there is one accident. So we know that this accident is going to happen. Before that, if we take any action, this is called proactive. Okay. And if an accident has happened, then we are taking the action. This is called reactive. That means it is a pre, it is a post. This is the basic difference. So see, India in most of the cases take what?
Reaction.
And what should India do?
Proactive.
Proactive. I'm telling the example. See, 1962 China has attacked.
India.
Then India has formed what? RAW. What does it mean?
RAW.
Raw.
Ra.
Tell me the full form.
Like police department.
You don't watch the movie. Yeah, RAW means research and analysis being. So see, if some experts are saying that if India would have this kind of organization earlier, so I think what China has done, it might have not have done. So actually, India has formed this RA after the attack of China. So actually, what is the difference between RA and IB, Intelligence Bureau, and RAW? This is very general information. You
It
should
is
know.
out of countries. No?
And it is inside the country. No, it is right. But there is some more difference. And there is one more organization, National Investigation Agency (NIA). And see, I'm telling you in short that see, suppose that any terrorist activity is going to happen. Suppose that in Bhopal, right? So this IB takes the information that yeah, is it right information, wrong? It means the pre accident. This gives the information. And suppose that a terrorist activity has been happened, then it comes into the picture.
National.
Investigation agency, ki who has attacked? This gives the information who is going
Before.
to attack, and this gives the who has attacked.
Okay.
So see, this is the basic difference actually. Okay, and then what about it?
Ra.
Ra. Actually, they both generally works inside India, as you said, and this works outside India. Like Pakistan is doing something terrorist activity, so they give the information. That's why I said that when China has attacked, so this was the farm in 1962 around, and this was farm around I think 2008. Tell me what major accident has happened to 2008. This is very general information. Yeah. Mumbai attack.
26/11.
Yeah, 26/11. You should watch movie, I think. Something like that. Or you should increase your awareness, because this is very important for UPSC exams, because you cannot have some only bookish knowledge. You should have some basic understanding, right? So see, this was the form. So see, this is the basic difference. So what I was saying that, you see, India should not take only neutral step. India should be somewhat proactive in some cases, right? So see, writer is suggesting that, you see, India always follow the what?
Neutral.
Have you heard about ENAM, Non-Alignment Movement?
Mhm.
What does it mean?
Not formed any alliance. with the other countries.
No, wrong. Not
Military alliance.
No, no, no. With any. Like see, there were two, capitalist and socialist. So India has said that no, I don't want to join any other organization. I will create my own organization, right, with developing country. So that's why there, yeah, NAM was formed. So see, writer suggesting that see, before Cold War, India has a non-alignment policy, but now India is slowly and gradually moving towards a multi-alignment. Like India has a
Quad.
had good relation with Quad, like yeah, and
SCO.
yes, you many organization. So India is saying that India should cooperate with like-minded countries. Like it's like see, India is a democratic country, so India should tie with France, England, and they should come with a platform that this activity which is happening like Ukraine, Russia, so India should come forward with that. Because see, if India wants to become a global leader, so India has to take some global stand, nah, right? So this is obvious thing. So this is what I was saying. So there's one more two words actually, which is important actually, especially in IR actually. Zero sum game and win-win situation. Zero sum game means ke there are like Indian Pakistan. Between Indian Pakistan there is always zero sum game. It means
Zero?
zero sum game. Okay.
Zero-sum game.
Zero sum game. Yeah. Like if India is in advantageous position, then Pakistan will be in disadvantageous position. So this is called zero sum game. And there is one word win-win situation means कि both should have mutual cooperation, mutual benefits.
What
So-
is that?
Win-win situation.
Win-win.
WIN, win-win situation. So see, so what writer is saying that India should follow some strategy which should lead towards what? Zero sum game.
It has to follow that zero-sum game.
No, yeah,
Win-win.
yeah, win. How can you say in bare forward that India should follow zero sum game?
No, I'm
Because zero sum
asking.
game is itself a negative word, na? कि I will be in benefit, you will be in loss. No, no. Actually, Pakistan does this, but India should not do that. Especially in bare forward, you cannot write like that. कि India should follow zero sum game. No, no, no. Even with Pakistan, India cannot follow this zero sum game actually, right? So see, you should write that see, India should follow win-win situation. So if you use word like that, na, it means that they will understand that you have some academic knowledge, you have some proper keyword. Otherwise, you can write like that India should follow cooperative approach. So see,
General is like everything.
yeah,
Everything.
yeah. Even a chai wala can say like that. Say India should maintain good relation, good. But you have to use some keyword, na. And that is the use of the, and that is the benefits of reading the newspaper. So this was 4 articles which I discussed with you basically. And I think you have got how to read the newspaper and what should be the approach and how to save the time and where to focus on, right? This is all about.